Jira Service Management versus LiveAgent, which is the best help desk software. In this comparison, we're diving deep into two of the most popular help desk platforms on the market today, Jira Service Management and LiveAgent. If you're struggling to decide which one is better for your business, you're not alone. Stick around until the end because I'll give you a surprising recommendation you might not expect. Let's start with the basics, Jira Service Management. It's part of the Atlassian suite, so it integrates really well with other Atlassian products like Jira Software and Confluence. That's a huge bonus if you're already using those tools. The interface is pretty clean and it's very customizable, which is great if you want to tailor it to your specific needs. But the problem? It's a bit of a learning curve. If you're new to Jira, it can feel overwhelming, especially when you start diving into the complex configurations and workflows. Next thing, LiveAgent. LiveAgent is known for its user-friendly interface. It's quick to set up and doesn't require a ton of technical knowledge to get started, which is a huge plus for smaller businesses or teams without a dedicated IT department. It also has a wide range of communication channels, email, live chat, social media integrations, and it does them all pretty well. However, one downside is its reporting. While it's good for basic reporting, it's not as robust or customizable as Jira's. The third thing, automation and integrations. Jira Service Management has a ton of built-in automation features, making it super efficient for larger teams and enterprises that need to handle complex workflows. However, with great power comes complexity. Setting up automations can get tricky, and if you don't know what you're doing, it could lead to bottlenecks or mistakes. LiveAgent, on the other hand, does automation too, but at a simpler level. It's perfect for smaller operations, but it might fall short as your company grows. The fourth thing, pricing. Jira Service Management is known for being on the pricier side, especially if you need the full set of features. It's more suited for mid-sized businesses and enterprises. If you're a smaller team, the cost could be a factor. LiveAgent has a more affordable pricing structure and is known for its flexible plans. However, if you want the full feature set of LiveAgent, you'll end up paying more than expected as you scale. It's not cheap for its more premium plans either. Next up, customer support. Both platforms offer decent support, but Jira Service Management has a reputation for slower response times, especially during peak hours. Its extensive online resources can be helpful, but they might not always have the answers you need right away. LiveAgent offers 24/7 support through multiple channels, and many users have reported quicker response times. However, the quality of support can be inconsistent at times, so you may get a different experience based on your issue. Lastly, customizability and flexibility. Jira shines here, with advanced features for enterprises that need intricate control over workflows and reporting. LiveAgent is more focused on ease of use and is less customizable, but it's still flexible enough for small to mid-sized businesses to tweak things according to their needs. After trying both of these platforms myself, I'd say they both have their strengths and weaknesses. Jira Service Management is ideal for large teams needing complex integrations and powerful automation. LiveAgent is great for smaller businesses or teams that prioritize ease of use and quick setup. But here's the thing, if you want the best of both worlds, with ease of use, powerful automation, and excellent customer support, then there's a better alternative out there. And no, it's not either of the platforms mentioned. Check out the link in the description for a free trial of a platform that's simpler, more intuitive, and provides the right balance of features for your business. Plus, through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. So, while Jira Service Management and LiveAgent are solid choices, if you want a better option, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. It's the best way to get started without the commitment.